Hey everyone. Welcome back to Net Worth Nest, your go-to channel for building wealth and mastering the financial markets. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful ways to grow your portfolio, index trading. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your strategy, this video will give you the tools to trade indices like a pro. So, let's get started. What is index trading? Simply put, index trading allows you to invest in a group of stocks that represent a specific market or sector. Instead of buying individual stocks, you're trading the performance of an entire index like the S&P 500, NASDAQ, or FTSE 100. This is a great way to diversify your investments and reduce risk. Now, why is index trading trending in 2025? With global markets becoming more interconnected, indices give you exposure to entire economies or industries. Plus, they're perfect for both short-term traders and long-term investors. Whether you're intraday trading or holding positions for weeks, indices offer flexibility and opportunity. Let's break down some of the most popular indices you can trade. 1. S&P 500 tracks the top 500 companies in the US. 2. NASDAQ 100 focuses on tech giants like Apple, Amazon, and Microsoft. 3. FTSE 100 represents the top 100 companies in the UK. 4. DAX 40 covers Germany's leading blue-chip stocks. 5. Nifty 50 tracks India's top 50 companies. These indices are highly liquid, meaning you can enter and exit trades easily. And with the right strategy, you can capitalize on global trends like AI, renewable energy, and e-commerce. Now, let's talk about how to start index trading. Here are 3 key steps. 1. Choose a reliable broker. Look for a broker that offers low fees, tight spreads, and a user-friendly platform. 2. Understand leverage and risk. Many brokers offer leverage, which allows you to trade with more capital than you have. 3. Develop a trading strategy. Whether it's technical analysis, fundamental analysis, or a mix of both, having a plan is crucial. Popular options include eToro, IG, and TD Ameritrade. But remember, leverage can amplify both gains and losses, so use it wisely. For example, you can use moving averages, RSI, or support and resistance levels to time your trades. Here are 3 pro tips to succeed in index trading. 1. Stay updated on global news. Indices are heavily influenced by economic data, geopolitical events, and central bank decisions. 2. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your money into one index. 2. Spread your investments across different regions and sectors to minimize risk. 3. Practice with a demo account. If you're new to trading, start with a demo account to test your strategies without risking real money. Follow reliable news sources like Bloomberg, Reuters, or CNBC. And there you have it, your ultimate guide to index trading in 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Net Worth Nest, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and strategies. Got questions or want to share your trading experiences? Drop a comment below, I'd love to hear from you. And if you're ready to take your trading to the next level, check out the links in the description for my recommended brokers and tools. Thanks for watching, and remember, the key to building wealth is consistency and knowledge. See you in the next video.